Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, as you read from the title, I finally got a sewing machine. I was super thankful to my friend Rumbi for getting it for me. It is the exact one that I even wanted, and she didn't know about it. It was such a coincidence. I am so thankful. Let's enjoy the vlog. First, we gotta eat.
I do.
I'll do it if I have to, but
Yeah. Friends, content, yeah.
I got a burger with the side salad and she got a wrap. It was so good. The food was delicious, the veggies were fresh, and now
Like, yo,
you forget about yourself. And you're like, no.
you really do. You really
Only
do.
next day, like, oh yeah, I finally got it.
Exactly, yes. Oh my god, I'm so happy.
I cannot wait to start bringing my illustrations to life. I am super excited. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.